Okay, my friends, today I am going to explain to you in childlike drawing detail why it is so important for you to decide who a right fit client is for you and the niche in which you want to dominate the market. Hey there, my friends. This is Kelly Schaefer, the creator of the Concierge Academy, where I help you local businesses get more clients, make more money, and have a greater impact in your local community, doing things you love. Okay, so this is the mistake that everybody makes, and I did too. And when I first started my business, everybody said choose one niche, choose one target market. And I was like, no, don't tell me what to do, my friends. And I went down this long path of wanting to have services for seniors and for wanting to have services for local families and busy people. And I did not listen to what my business coach told me because I thought chasing two ideal clients would help me grow faster. And it actually delays your success. And here is why. So I'm going to show you my childlike drawing, my friends. Here is why trying to market to too many audiences delays your progress instead of going after and dominating. And by dominating, I mean it in a loving way, but dominating one specific ideal client or avatar or market. Okay, there's all different words that people use, but that's what it is. Stop trying to chase all different types of people at the same time. And this is why. When you are building a business, my friend, you only have a limited amount of time, money, and resources. And what happens is when people go after multiple ideal clients at one time, you are stretching out your time, money, and resources into all of these buckets, which in result delays your success. So here's exactly what I mean. For example, if you wanted to work with seniors, but then you say, but I also want to work with busy people, but I also want to do organizing, but I also want to work for companies. Is these are the 5 core things that are going to be impacted by your decision. Were to choose seniors, then seniors, you need to focus on specific networks and communities, specific referral partners, specific centers of influence. You will talk about your services in a different way, and your marketing process will be different when you're seniors. If you say, I want to do seniors and what happens is you have all 5 of those, and then they are going to be different for busy professionals. You will have different networks and communities for busy professionals. You will have different referral partners. You will have different centers of influence. You will talk about it differently, and your marketing process for those people will be different. I think you get the picture now. With organizing, same with companies, the same with C-level executives, the same with, project management. I mean, there are so many different things out there that you could choose. The problem is that this is why choosing more than one niche beginning delays your progress. Okay. So if you have to focus your time, money, and resources into communities, referral partners, centers of influence, how you talk about your services and your marketing process, and you have to do those 5 things for each of these potential clients. Do you see now how the time that you are focusing on your business is now being split tenfold? That is the reason, my friends, that you need to pick one. Now, that does not mean that if you were to pick, let's say you have a sweet spot for seniors. Okay, you have a sweet spot for seniors. This means you focus these 5 things on seniors. It does not mean that if a senior comes along and says, will you organize for me? And organizing is one of the services that you offer. That doesn't mean that you tell them no. Then yes, you absolutely can provide services for that person. The same way, if you primarily focus on seniors, but a senior's daughter who's a busy, executive asks for some support or asks for some help, you absolutely can say yes to that other person if that is work that you want to do. But here is why you need to choose one, because time, money, and resources all put into one bucket will get you there and have you identifying with, connecting with, and signing on more clients in that niche so much faster than if you try to split yourself out into all these other areas. Please learn from my mistakes and don't do that. This is one of the first things that we talk about in any of my coaching programs, because a lot of people come in and they think they want to be all things to all people. And they quickly realize that when they're doing their marketing, they burn out quickly because they're trying to do this and this and this and this times 5. Okay, my friends. So just pick one. What is the one that your heart is calling you towards the most? Start there. And as you gain momentum, as you gain success, as you continue to grow, then you can bring in other ideal clients if that is what you want to do for the long term. Okay, my friends, if this video was helpful to you, please hit that like button below and be sure to subscribe and tell me which one of the niches, what is the niche that you are choosing for your local concierge or assistant business? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear who your potential target is and the people that your heart is calling you towards. Until next time, my friends. Bye for now.